What are some of the most essential security aspects to take into consideration when developing a software project? In this video, I'll share insights from my professional experience as a security specialist. There are several key aspects of security that need to be considered in practically every software project, starting from defining what the project is actually about and who will be using it, and creating corresponding security requirements tailored to the type of the project that you're building. Ask yourself whether you are protecting your system from attack both from inside and outside, and is maintaining high availability something that you have considered. The easiest way for any threat actor to cause problems is to disable anyone from accessing the application. Distributed denial of service attacks, DDoS attacks, have become very inexpensive, and network power of botnets used to execute such attacks has grown exponentially in recent years, with victims noting incoming traffic at the rate of even 2.3 terabits per second in some reported cases. While it is important to make sure that the edge of your network is protected with adequate security measures, at minimum, this should be a firewall with strict configuration set allowing only necessary traffic, like only whitelisted IP addresses that you know. It is even more important to protect resources from attacks originating within your network. Network segmentation using public and private subnets dedicated to specific resources is the #1 consideration that you have to think. If you are planning on embracing DevOps, containers, and infrastructure as a code, SecDevOps is the next step to take. Adding static code analysis and container vulnerability scanners such as OWASP-AST, Prisma Cloud, or OpenVAS will prevent a lot of common errors such as OWASP Top 10 bugs and others. Almost all current software projects generate a ton of logs from system, tools, cloud solutions, but this data is just chaos if not managed. However, using a security information and event management system, SIEM, to manage, analyze, and search log data, all the logs can provide additional insight into the application for developers, better control of the network and workflows for the DevOps team, and ability to monitor and respond to incidents to the security team. This is something most medium and large projects should consider. Another aspect that nowadays has become important is data protection, starting with assessing what data is going to be processed as part of the project or the system that you're building. There are various data protection frameworks to consider and implement, from basic ones such as GDPR or CCPA to HIPAA and others. Projects that deal with credit card and cardholder data should assess the need for PCI DSS compliance. HIPAA is relevant for all US-based projects processing medical or patient data. Start with a simple exercise. List all the data that you will be processing and assess what data type they are and understand where are your users based. Those are just some of the aspects to consider when developing a software project. Budgets, needs will guide the specifics, but start with a few quick wins to gain momentum, and quickly you'll see benefits of having security in your project DNA. To learn more, look for other videos and check our website.